What you just witnessed is yung loading screen ng Helldivers 2, which was released since 2024. Grabe. Loading screen pa lang, kakaiba na yung music, nakaka-addict siya. So let's talk about Helldivers 2. This will be the first Tagalog review of this game. So let's go. So, yung Helldivers 2 is a cooperative third-person shooter game na dinevelop na independent na game developers na they call themselves Arrowhead Game Studios noong 2024, and it was published ng Sony Interactive Entertainment for PlayStation 5 and Windows. So, ito yung direct sequel dun sa game na Helldivers na parang tabletop, if you have idea kung ano yung tabletop. So, base dito sa Wikipedia, it was set on the 22nd century. Okay? After the Helldiver 1 na game. Pero, here's the catch. You don't need to play the Helldivers 1 para magustuhan at maintindihan mo tong gameplay na to. It's very simple pero napaka-chaotic, napaka-gulo. Pero gantong gulo yung magugustuhan nyo sa game. So kung titignan natin yung Steam charts, it started with a bang. Sobrang daming naglaro. Ang maximum player ever recorded is 428,915. This is Steam alone. Hindi pa kasama dito yung mga players ng PS5. Yes, more than 400,000 players. Kung makikita mo, medyo bumaba yung player count. Pag-uusapan natin yan. Pero, until now, maximum of 52,533 yung naglalaro. Last recorded March 31. So, buhay na buhay pa rin talaga yung laro. And, isa siya sa top 30 na top sellers ng Steam game. Nasabayan pa niya yung mga big companies na kasabayan nila in terms of releasing this game. If isipin mong mabuti, mapapatanong ka, paano kaya sumikat ng ganon kabilis at ganon kalawak yung Helldivers? Ano yung ginawa nila? Ano yung meron dun sa game? Kaya sumikat sila ng ganon at dumami yung players nila. So may papakita ko sa inyong video. And isa to sa sagot sa tanong natin. Okay? Sige.
Super Earth, our home. Prosperity. Liberty.
Hi there.
Democracy. Our way of life.
Oh, hello.
But freedom doesn't come free.
No! Sweet liberty! No!
Look familiar? Scenes like these are happening all over the galaxy right now. You could be next. That is, unless you make the most important decision of your life. Prove to yourself that you have the strength and the courage to be free.
Join the Helldivers. Become part of an elite peacekeeping force. See exotic new life forms. And spread managed democracy throughout the galaxy. Become a hero. Become a legend. Become a Helldiver.
Yung trailer na yon, I don't know about you, pero dun pa lang na-capture na ako ng laro. You will have this feeling na gusto ko din maging Helldiver. And aside from that, kung ano yung nakita mo dun sa trailer na yun din talaga yung gagawin mo sa mismong laro. As in, and then you will have this surge na gusto mo din talaga maging Helldiver. Kahit sa laro lang. Admit it, video pa lang, nandun na talaga yung effort. And nakakatawa na kinakapitalize nila yung meme culture at makikita mo dun sa video na marami kang pwedeng gawing meme dun pa lang. Marketing strategy. At hindi lang siya umiikot sa trailer kung bakit sumikat at dumami yung naglalaro ng Helldivers. Isa na rin dito yung in-game propaganda ng Helldivers na you can also say similar sa Starship Troopers.
For the future.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part too.
They're doing their part.
So napag-usapan na nga natin kung ano yung ginawa ng devs within and before the game. So biggest question bilang Pinoy, simple lang tayo eh. Paano yung laro? Masaya ba? Is it catchy? Let's see.
Man, I can't believe we're actually gonna become Helldivers.
So mag-start yung tutorial kung saan dadaling kayo ng Pelican sa training grounds kasama yung isa pang aspiring na Helldivers. So dito sa tutorial na to, sobrang spoon feeding niya and self-spoken yung tutorial, as in napakadali niya. At ang ganda pa dito, everything in the environment is in character dun sa propaganda na tinatry i-illustrate nung game sa'yo. So, sa tutorial na to, syempre, like any other game, ituturo sa'yo yung movement, yung run, how the spacebar works. Unfortunately, walang jump dito. So, meron lang dive. Like, ito, for example, as in, ito, Gatling gun na to. Pag hindi ka talaga nag-crouch dito, mamamatay ka talaga dyan. And then, ito naman, sa section na to ng tutorial, ito yung pinakamakulit. Salting na natin.
Field injury simulator.
I'm hit! Sweet liberty! I'm
Grit your
blind!
teeth, soldier. Grab that stim and patch yourself up.
O, di ba? Sobrang comical. Hindi mo alam kung matatawa ka or what not. At ito, syempre, part din ng tutorial is how you would battle. Ito, for example, yung Terminites, yung basic nakalaban dito sa Helldivers. So, papakita dyan how you would eliminate them, how you would use the guns and stuff. Pati yung grenades, paano mo i-close yung bug holes. Ayan. Kasama niyan dito. So, everything that you need to know in the game, andito na sa tutorial. So, ito na yung pinaka-paboritong part ko sa pagtapos mo ng tutorial. Watch this.
Now there's a Helldiver. You remind me of a younger me. Fearless and vulnerable and 7 feet tall. You're finally ready for the realest deal of them all. The Galactic War. Liberty. Democracy. Justice. They're in your hands now. General Brush, over and out.
Cargo loading complete. Transport C-43 ready for launch.
Let's talk about ano yung nasa loob ng game. So, for Weapons, it's divided to primary, secondary, and throwable. Sa primary, it's divided to different types of primary weapon. Meron tayong assault rifle, marksman rifle, sniper rifle, submachine gun, shotgun, explosive, energy-based, at special. You can use anything, depende sa needs mo. And of course, yung secondary, may pistol, melee, and special as well. Throwables, may grenades, smoke, poison, fire, all of them ready for your disposal. Depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin. In terms of armory, merong light armor, medium armor, at heavy armor. Depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin or ano ang kailangan mong gawin. It do have different effects as well that will change kung paano at gaano mo dali matatapos yung mission. If maling set of armor or equipments ang madala mo, unfortunately, it's gonna be a different story. Sobrang customizable din ito. Marami kang pwedeng palit-palitan dito in terms of your character, pose, emote, victory pose, player card, pati yung item. So, ganun customizable itong larong to. Meron silang tinatawag na warband. Ito yung purchasable na mga unlockable items, skills, and skins. Good thing sa laro na to, pwede mong ma-earn yung in-game currency without purchasing it just by playing it. So, importante itong mga warbands na to kasi yung mga items sa loob nito would make your life easy when playing Helldivers. May mga stratagem na ma-unlock mo lang if you purchase it and unlock it. One thing good about this game as well, yung mga developer, nakikinig sila sa mga players. At hindi lang basta nakikinig they are changing things na gusto at ayaw ng players. And they post very frequently. As in, kung makikita mo dito, they post memes, videos, updates. Napaka-consistent. Consistency. Yan ang meron ang mga developers na to. And hindi lang sa developer side. I-check natin yung community ng Helldivers. So, dun muna tayo sa Helldivers 2 internationally. People are making memes. Ayan. Every achievement. And most of them are in character kung mag-comment. Na feeling nila, Helldiver talaga sila sa totoong buhay. Okay? And they make friendships. They make comrades sa laro na to. Funny moments. Sobrang active nila. Memes, achievements, new tactics. Kompleto yan. And syempre, Helldivers Philippines is also a good community. So, let's open. Ayan. Buhay na buhay din ang Helldivers 2 Philippines. As well as yung ating Discord. Yan. Pasok lang kayo, sali kayo sa Discord if you're able to download the game. Alright. So, may mga rooms dyan that you can go in. If you wanna play along with other Filipinos, pasok lang kayo sa Discord na to. So, ito yung mga sample clip ng mga gameplay ko dun sa game. So, check natin to.
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to combat zone.
Okay. Clear na yun, clear na.
Objective located. North. 50 meters.
Bobo! Oh my God.
30 seconds.
Reinforcing.
Grabe, daming 380 na ipang barrage. What the heck? Ay, may gunship pa doon.
Southwest. 200 meters.
Unahin ko yung gunship. Pagdawin ako sa
May isang gunship ko lang isa. Ayun. Pink po.
Objective located.
Pinilabas. Ay, putang ina mo. Pinches.
Southeast, close.
Oh, shit.
Outpost clear.
Oh. Baka ang bubun.
Hell bomb arm!
Alright,
Clear
all
the
good.
area!
Okay na to, gunship tower. Ako na din bahala dito sa base na
Objective
nandito.
located. Northeast. Requesting
Yeah,
orbital. 50 meters.
Mission is
Dropping a pin.
progress.
South. 100 meters.
Dito ako mag-snipe.
Uy, ano yun? Meron pa, may gunship pa.
Atomic outpost scrapped.
Okay.
Alam mo, isang
Mas-snipe ko, mas-snipe ko.
orbital cannon lang to. Tapos,
Requesting orbital.
Orbital barrage incoming. Stand clear.
ay, gugo! Tinamaan ako. Ang bato.
Jetpack inbound.
Please.
So, lahat ng chaos, gulo, and fun na nakikita nyo, every player or Helldiver is nagko-contribute doon sa progression ng kwento. This game, wala siyang plot, wala siyang kwento. Yung mga players ang gumagawa ng kwento or ano yung mangyayari next doon sa laro. Yung actions ng mga players ang nagdi-dictate kung ano yung mangyayari sunod, ano yung next mission, ano yung planeta na sunod, ano yung planeta na masasakop ng kalaban, ano yung planeta na matatalo, ano yung planeta na mananalo. That is Helldivers. Sabay-sabay kayong naglalaro lahat. All of your action impacts one another. Like any other game, every other match or round, iba yung dating whenever they flash all your accomplishment, lahat ng samples, XP, na nakukuha mo completing the game. And after mo ma-finish yung tatlong game or yung tatlong operations, ipapakita din nila dito kung gaano kalaki yung impact or contribution ng mission nyo in liberating yung planeta na yun or masakop yung planeta na yun against dun sa faction na kalaban nyo. So kung isipin mo, if ganun kadaming tao yung nagtutulungan para matapos yung mga missions or major order, diba dapat tapos natin yung game ng maigi or mabilis? Pero hindi. Hindi lang yung mga players ang nagdi-dictate sa kung ano ang mangyayari doon sa game. Merong isang entity, isang tao or grupo ng tao na nagfa-facilitate. Sabi ng mga developers, yun, aside dun sa AI na ginagamit nila to dictate things that will change on the game and also yung actions ng mga Helldivers, kumuha sila ng totoong tao na naglalaro along with the players. So, this could be like one person or a group of person na tumutulong or nagdadagdag ng difficulty sa mga players. Maybe nabago sila sa game, depende kung paano nilalaro ng mga players yung laro. For example, if nahihirapan yung mga players sa isang planeta, pwede siyang magbigay ng libreng stratagem or power-ups, kumbaga. If isang mission naman is sobrang dali, pwedeng maglagay si Joel dito ng mga debuff, cooldown increase. Si Joel din yung nagde-decide kung ano ang major order, ano yung next na dapat gawin ng mga Helldivers. So, para talaga siyang tabletop kung saan merong game master na nakikipaglaro along with the players na nagdi-dictate along with the players kung ano yung mangyayari. So, sa kabila lahat ng magandang nangyayari and improvement ng game and number of players, dumating si Sony. Which, pinagbawal na yung mga countries or region na walang PSN capability na mag-download or mag-login sa laro. So, nawala yung Helldivers sa Steam Store. Fortunately, yung mga nakabili ng Helldivers bago tanggalin sa Steam Store is nakakapaglaro pa rin until now. Yan nga lang, due to what happened, marami yung nawala dahil na-disappoint sa desisyon ng Sony. Nilaban to ng mga developers. Pero syempre, ano magagawa nila against Sony? Kaya right now, gustuhin nyo man, hindi nyo mabibili yung Helldivers sa Steam Store. Pero, you can definitely buy Steam Key, if I'm not mistaken, sa mga third-party na online store para ma-download mo yung Helldivers. So, hopefully, etong gantong kagandang game is maging open to everyone and sana maging open din to sa mga Xbox players. We need those green guys to help, no? Kasi marami pa ring major order ang hindi namin natatapos. And hopefully sana tumigil na rin si Sony to monopolize the game kasi everyone deserves to play it. So ayun lang, I know marami pa akong na-miss in terms of Helldivers. So this is just the first video. Hopefully you follow the page and we will have our next videos. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe and like our page. Sa susunod ulit, Helldivers.